Arrived yesterday and apparently is still here, despite the fact that in Trafalgar Square in London, just around the corner from where we are.
Kicked it all off. That's William Lee. You know, he's a big sensation in China. And then there's also Li Hongqi.
First 5 minutes of it. So we're doing well with this new game show, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got a few ideas there.
Ricky Gervais' meat rations.
Quick one, it's called Get the Hell Out of Hiroshima. Right, it's against the clock. Anyway, there's that's there as well. And we've got any other ideas, Gervais?
The Cure, love song.
Gervais, it's time for the game show everyone's talking about. Make Gervais laugh. Yeah, we've had an entry here this week. All right.
I bottle at the point of like, you know, I may not have followed through past the bit which went, oh, I'll take it easy. I might have gone, well, I've done my part. Shit, get a pen.
Yeah, no, I think they did alternatives. Like, which I thought through for a week. It's not like I was like, hey, I need to have a hard conversation with her and I'm so good at this. I was like, I kind of want to do this. And oh my God.
Did you notice walking up the path and that?
Yeah, I role played it with my husband. Like,
you role played?
Yeah, totally. And it's the most generous thing. That's their job. You can't, even that's you want that developmentally for them to try on new ways. Can I split mom and dad? Can I, how long really is there tolerance for this fit in the middle of
You two are not going.
We're not.
I'm going, Pippa's going, James is going, free bar all afternoon in the sunshine. You think we're going to be here on Friday in any fit state to the show? You two are going to have to hold the fort.
Do you want to record it too? So this is like the height of like the race war. This is the tagline. They transplanted a white bigot's head on a soul brother's body.
I went to Hollywood, Fairfax, and Beverly Hills.
Oh, wow.
And then I left Beverly Hills High in 11th grade. By that time, I was in continuation.
I'd like to see all of us movie.
Eventually.
I'd like to be in Phase 4.
Black Lightning. I would like Fox to go, you know what? There's a lot of money we're leaving on the table. Up the road.
Do you pay road tax? Probably more for me than for you because you can just put a t-shirt on and you're done.
Why was everyone at a standstill?
I don't know.
Are you alright?
I'm okay. Because even if we hit him, we weren't going to hit him fast. I was just worried about the car.
And there was no indication on the map, because usually there's a bit of orange or amber.
And I just feel like you could see he was braking, but like it didn't seem like everyone had stopped.
Like at one point or another, someone just braked way too quickly, which caused all this.
On stage, because I had a shirt with like somebody's face on it. Yeah. Rich had a shirt, and that was it. That was his advice. And then they left, and I was like, what the fuck? So about 6 months ago, we were on tour in Australia. I wake up at 5 in the morning, the jet lag. I get an email from Rod Small.
Any coffee shop, and boosts are like unlimited coupons. You just use them over and over and over again, and they're always
Where are you going?
Boosts. So go and check them out. Now, if you're not ready to switch debit cards,
yeah.
The Cash App lets you instantly .com/Joe for a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch, use the offer code Joe to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It's seriously.
Well, that's a red light. So that's and you, yeah, you're going to stop at that one then.
She looked familiar.
Yeah. To promote albums.
What songs were there? Would Step On be one of them where you're like?
Well, Step On's one we've done since, you know, it came out in 1990.
Yeah.
Or whatever, you know.
So you're like, I'm done with it. And you didn't write Step On, so it's not like you get a gob of money for it.